Hello everyone friends, today on the Quarry I'll show you how to play platform style in Minecraft. For this we go to Google and type Aternos. We log into our account. Here I'll click on servers. Let's open the server. Well, I can't create anymore. So we're creating a server. Yes, here I need to disable adblock. Now we go to the site. Here we need to go to software. And here we need to choose paper bucket. Creator for the version we need, let's say 1.21. We install it. Next we go to plugins, and here we need Geyser. Geyser MC. We download it. As we can see, we have two versions here, 1.21 and 1.8. Well, I'll download it anyway, let it be. And next we need a skin manager. Then we launch the server. And we wait. After launching the server, we stop it. And here we need this port. We copy it and go to files. We just need to go to plugins here. Then Geyser's config. And insert our port here. Now we save it, and now you can play on your own. Don't forget to insert your needed port. That's all. This has been Vizimpolka.